What's up? We are looking at right hand technique, classic guitar technique to work on prepared rest strokes. So I'm just starting, I'm actually standing and getting the guitar in position, about 45-degree angle that way, like that, to get it that way, and with the strap. And I'm just demonstrating a few prepared rest strokes with the thumb and just showing how I've got the fulcrum of the arm here, and so the elbow's free to move a little bit with the downward motion. And it's nice to think about the motion of the thumb as sort of like dipping into the hand. And the crucial thing that we want to accomplish and work on is coming to rest on the string below it, which is why we call it a rest stroke. And you could practice going back and forth between a couple of pairs. And then another really good thing to practice to get that suppleness or relaxedness is just to bounce it. And try moving it more from your thumb, and the bounce at your elbow will be smaller. And then try driving it a little bit more from the weight of the forearm, and it'll be a little bit bigger motion. So here's, you can see the bigger motion, and here's the smaller motion. Just I'm moving mostly the thumb, but I'm not stopping the arm from moving. And just bounce it, and just feel what you want to feel is that effortlessness and the weight of the elbow assisting the hand to rise a little bit. So you're just sort of tipping the weight forward, and then it'll just fall back if you're nice and relaxed, all the way up to your shoulder, really, like that. And then by the way, that's an unprepared rest stroke when you're doing this bounce, is that you're not setting the finger on the string and then plucking. You're actually just moving right through it, which is sometimes a good way to start with the thumb. And I've got my fingers anchored on the strings just to give me a sense of where I am. Okay, and then from there, light's not as good, is you're gonna leave the thumb where it is on a bass string, 6th string, 5th string, maybe the 4th string, probably 5th or 6th to start, and then start working on prepared rest strokes with the fingers. So I'm gonna set my index finger on the G string, and I'm just gonna notice how much of my fingertip is on the string, and then I'm gonna pluck and then relax. Set, pluck, relax. Set, pluck. Move a little bit closer, you can see the string a little bit better. Set, pluck, relax. It's a 3 count. So you're gonna set the finger on the string, notice where you are on the string, you're gonna pluck to land on the next string, and then relax. Set, pluck, relax. Set, pluck, relax. Just like so. Set, pluck. And you might even do it a little bit slower to give yourself time. And when you're in the relax phase, you're not really just letting the fingers all the way go and the hand all the way go, but you're actually sort of relaxing back into playing position. And one key notion of this is that you're moving all the fingers together like a claw. And so then you repeat this. I'll play with the middle finger. You can see a little bit better there. You can see the string a little bit, and then the tip of the middle finger on the 2nd string. Relax. Set, pluck, relax. Set, pluck. Whoop, I went right through that time. Apparently I haven't warmed up today. Relax. Set, pluck, relax. Set, pluck, relax. And again, this is just about getting a sense of where your fingers are in space on the individual strings. And then I'm finally going to do the last with the ring finger. Set, pluck, relax. Set, pluck, relax. Set, pluck, relax. And this is something that you do a bunch at first as you're learning it, and then it just becomes a little part of your daily routine, and you just sort of calibrate your hands towards working with the instrument for the day. And it's just a good way to kind of get set up for the day. All right, that should kind of suffice to recall that stuff from our last lesson.